Are you planning a move in Marlborough, New Jersey, and feeling overwhelmed by the thought of packing? Worry no more. Ample Moving is here to provide you with professional, efficient, and stress-free packing services. Our team of expert packers ensures that every item, from the most delicate glassware to bulky furniture, is securely packed and ready for transport. Tailored packing solutions. At Ample Moving, we understand that each move is unique. That's why we offer customized packing services to meet your specific needs. Whether you require full-service packing for your entire home or just need assistance with a few challenging items, our skilled packers are equipped to handle it all with utmost care and precision. Quality materials for maximum protection. We use only the highest quality packing materials, including sturdy boxes, bubble wrap, and packing paper, to ensure the safe transport of your belongings. Our specialized techniques in packing, coupled with top-notch materials, provide the best protection against damage during the move. Time-saving and convenient. Packing can be one of the most time-consuming aspects of moving. Let Ample Moving take this task off your hands. Our efficient packing services save you valuable time and effort, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your move. Affordable and transparent pricing. We believe in transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Our packing services are competitively priced, offering you the best value for your money. You can trust us to provide a straightforward and honest quote for your packing needs. Easy booking process. Booking our packing services is easy and hassle-free. Simply visit our website at https://amplemoving.com or call us at 12017215777 to schedule your packing service. Our friendly staff is always ready to assist you and answer any questions you might have. Don't let packing become a burden in your moving process. Contact Ample Moving today and experience a seamless and worry-free move in Marlborough, New Jersey. Visit our website or give us a call to get started. Remember, Ample Moving is your go-to packing expert, ready to make your next move smooth and stress-free.